Hi, today we'll be drawing Allister Gator, a member of the nightmare critters, with markers. But before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to support the channel, consider joining our membership. The outline of Allister's head is drawn. It includes a basic shape for his snout. Facial details are added, showing expressive furrowed brows and eyes. The mouth and teeth appear, displaying Allister's wide grin with sharp alligator teeth. Arms extend outward with clawed hands. Stripes decorate the elbows. A necklace with a crossbones pendant sits on his chest, shaping out his torso. Legs complete the body shape, and stripes adorn the knees. The tail draws behind, featuring spines. We're almost done. Allister comes to life with color. Lime green scales, a yellow-green jaw, and army green claws make him stand out.